to pay off credit cards or your car loan. This is exclusively for home repairs, maybe such as
if you want to get your roof fixed, or you want to buy a boiler. If you want to, one of the things we see most is people redoing their whole kitchen. That's been my favorite one because we do inspections. So, you can't go and buy a bunch of flat screen TVs, unfortunately, but we would like to see before and after. But some of the amazing stuff that I've seen is I've seen one woman put stained glass throughout her house. It is some limits, but you could be as creative as you want as long as it's towards home improvements.
And does it have to be with a licensed contractor? Or?
No.
You can do it yourself?
You could DIY.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Isn't that awesome?
You could
guys?
DIY.
Yeah,
Yes.
This is great.
Oh my God.
Yes.
But now this is only in the North. You guys have a sister program.
We
Southwest side. Southwest Equity. You have a sister
Southwest.
Southwest. So
Yeah.
you're Northwest. So it's literally straight up.
Yeah.
Direct to south. That's amazing.
And now the Southwest, they do have they don't offer the delinquent tax program, but they do have some other programs that we don't have. So, but we do share the home improvement loan program. So those both are a part of both our organizations. So we both offer that program.
So imagine if you live in Southwest, you can still call